Good afternoon, YouTube. Today I'm back with another wig review. Today's wig is going to be this pretty unit right here, the Zury Sis LF-DAISHA. This one here is in the color 2, and as you can see, she is in a Fulani braid. Very pretty, very big head friendly. This is what the stock card looks like. I did purchase this from samsbeauty.com. She is a 13x4 pre-braided Fulani braid style wig. She is 400-degree heat safe. It's a HD lace front. She does have 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back. No, I'm sorry, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and then there's just some adjustable straps. All right. There's also another product that I'm going to be reviewing today as well, so stick around for that. Okay, so 2 products that I'm going to be reviewing today. They are from Ebin, New York. This one here is the Extreme Firm Hold, the lace bond glue here, and this is their newest product that they came out, which is the melting spray. I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. I did see a picture on their website where when they did use the melting spray, after they cut the cap, it blended in with the scalp, so I'm wanting to test that out today as well, so stick around.
Crown, that's a jam, that's a jam, that's a jam. Crown, that's a jam, that's a jam, that's a jam.
Okay. I like it. I don't really need this many baby hair, so I don't. I'm probably gonna have to like pluck it a little bit, but for the most part, it's my first time in a long time actually doing the ball cap method, and I'm not perfect at it, as you can see. But you know, it's definitely a work in progress. My goal with that melting spray was to get the cap to like melt my skin, that way I wouldn't have to like apply any makeup. But I think instead of applying it after I cut it, I probably should have applied it before I cut the cap, because I saw a picture of it on Ebin, New York's online site of the melting spray. Like if you just scroll over, you can see like there's like a difference between the ball cap method versus how I had it when you first cut it off, and then there's still snips that you need to cut it off, and then there's another side where it just looks completely melted. It just looks like it's a ball head. So yeah, but other than that, let's get into this wig. I love it. Big head friendly. Yes. I love this Fulani. I always wanted a Fulani braided wig, and this is my first one, so I never really had one before. So you know, I'm loving this one. I can put beads on it, like little braid accessories, and you know, and also I just like the fact because it's braided in the beginning. I don't really have to deal with flyaways when I'm installing a wig or anything like that, so that's always a plus in my book. But other than that, that is it for my review, you guys, on Zury Sis LF-DAISHA. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification button if you want to see some more of my content, and stay tuned to that. All right, other than that, you guys, love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.